Are you looking to find how you can change your language in Amazon.com? Hello everyone, welcome to 1-2 Step. In today's guide, we're gonna see how we can change language in Amazon. Well, for that, we first need to head over to our browser and enter Amazon.com in the address bar and press enter. I'm pretty sure you are aware of this step. Once you're in the home page of Amazon, to convert the whole site to your preferred language, you need to click on this hamburger menu with all text. It's at the top left corner. So if you click on it and scroll down, almost at the very bottom, you can see this globe icon and English. Alright, so if you select it, you have a option, language settings. To select the language that we prefer for browsing, shopping and communications, we need to select either Espanol, Dutch or other language that you are familiar with. Now go ahead and save settings after also selecting the currency settings. So go ahead and save changes and you will have your browsing transformed to the language of your choice. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions? Do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.